What up? What up? Staying on? Hello, hello. Yeah. Let's see if I can hit the. I'll just test it right there. Wow, this just swings all over the place. That's fine. We'll just wrap that up. Lay it right there. That's kind of bright. Right under a light. That's nice. Put these two lines here. Stop dropping shit. Needs to go in there. Da-da-da-da. Where the fuck did the thing go? Oh, that's bright as shit. Tighten the lines up. Yo, shorty, what up? Check it, we out here. See the line there. God damn, look how nice that shows up. Oh, that's bright as shit. Oh, God. Seizure warning. Sorry about that. And you missed the two bigger fish. But you got pictures of it, so that's nice. Let's tighten up the orange. And I thought it was the same fish, but he's 1 inch shorter. I thought the same. I don't think I can do on the fly Photoshop. Maybe that's a thing. To be fair, the Google phones do have a lot of shit on them. You probably can. It just moved. Something happened. What are you doing? You interested in it? Come on, fishy. What's that? Maybe just. I don't know what that was. All the stuff. I think it's so fucking bright. It is nice out here. Yep. I got a third pole. I just. If you get. It's hard to cycle 3 poles at once, but if 2 hit at once, I can kind of maybe hold them both. But I don't know about 3. I did 3 a while back though, but I didn't really have any luck. So I'm also at a different spot on the pier. I'm at the middle than I usually am at the end, the far end. Be nice if I could hook one while we're live here. So much gear, yeah. I do travel with a bunch of stuff. The backpack's a good 30 pounds, it feels like. And it's like, it's not even a joke. It's minimum 20, 25. I weighed it. Ice pack. That was there. We believe. The two hit within like 15 minutes of each other, so maybe we'll get lucky again. I mean, zooming up and down the pier. Oh, it's wiggling. What's he doing? Oh. I think I got him. No, maybe not. He nibbled on it. I don't think I got him. I might have him. Either he's smaller or I don't have him. Shit.
I was afraid, I'm gonna be honest with you, I was afraid you didn't shoot him today because I won't be there.
Let me resend this out. Not quite as far as I wanted, but it's okay. I'll take that. Man, that was the one. Damn it. Maybe I should have let him play with it a little bit more. It's like, oh, there's like this kind of like strike zone or something, it feels like. But I don't know what the fuck it is. Let's play the waiting game. Oh my god, he went tentacle monster. Holy. I definitely like this front end at night. I don't even know if I got like one nibble at the far end the other day, or the other night. Seems like a lot of experienced guys are always up front. I've tried using real food as bait. It didn't really seem to work so well. I think I caught my first catfish on a piece of Food Lion Slim Jim though. That worked pretty good. The one time. But that was it. They hang out around the bottom a lot. So you put anything down there, they kind of just, you know, they'll kind of go for it. Yeah. I got some real stinky catfish bait. It's chicken liver. Oof. It's dough. Oh man. It's potent. Very potent. Oh, what's it doing? Yeah. Oh. They're playing with it. Hold on. I saw Wiggle Line did this. Something could have brushed against it. Like me on cod. Yeah, like me on cod. Shit. You and me both. Man, I'm half tempted to put another line out. If I could. Got plenty of these leaders. Went to the club. What the fuck you mean I went to the club? What? Oh. That's how you get in on the pier. It costs money to get on here. It'd be a private pier. Very nice. Who's the other person here? Nova, you here? What does it sound like? Is it too loud? Or is it? Yeah, $6 per visit. That's a big ball. everybody else out of it. Is Nova in here yet? See who we fought. Yeah. You can catch anything out here. There's like 100 different species in these waters. Sharks might even come through here. I don't know. Dolphins. I've seen dolphins not too far. Yeah. You hook one of those, they're just going to take everything. They might even just take your whole pole, everything. I don't know. Unless you're quick. Well, yeah, they make like 7-foot poles. Just with handles like this on them at the bottom for some reason. You cast a little bit further with a longer rod. I've kind of noticed that. I'm using 6'6" poles. I like that one's kind of a sweet spot. I use the 2-parter so I can just take them apart and fit them in the car. If you got that worm off there yet. Yeah, imagine catching something like that. For the most part, where I am, I don't think I gotta worry about that too much here. Seems pretty solid right here. So we're midway on the pier. It still shows like I barely have a thing. Yo, duck, what up, man? Big duck. Oh, I heard something. Hold on. Oh, no, maybe, no. Could have been someone else's pole. What up, what up? Around there. We got the pole set up. Oh, jeez. I'm kicking everything. It's okay. Oh. I'm on the East Coast, man. What do you mean that's already pitch black? Shit, it got dark like an hour ago. Yeah, East Coast. Shit, it's only 8:14. It gets dark at like 7 here. It'll probably be even sooner. Oh, it's too dark. No, maybe it's not. I heard told you something. That jingle is it's a little bell thing I got laying on there. It seems to be just more annoying than anything really, but maybe it'll pay off. No, not really. Just kind of, I was really just testing the orange. Cause there's something with the colors. They're the same. Yeah, they're the same. The same test. The 20-pound one. I like the test. So I like the 20 pounds, kind of the sweet spot it seems. Some people will use 4 and land big fish, but you gotta really use your drag to do that. That's really fucked that up. Yeah, they make that thread stuff. What is it? The braided one. It's a little hard to work with if you're used to doing your knots, but I mean, not really, because knots are knots. But something just finally paid off. Yeah. I should watch more fishing videos. I gotta learn something. I surely could use it. Where's Nova at, man? Is he in here yet? Somebody message Nova, tell him to get in here. No, he's out there doing something. He's probably on WoW. He's still addicted. You don't like the monofilament? Yeah, I don't blame you. The braid is nicer, it's stronger and thinner. I think, anyway. I think it's lighter. I'm not sure. I just found this. This is Cast King Mono Destron brand. My first night using it. But so far, it caught me 2 fish. 1 on each line. So I'm feeling pretty good about that. But it's also only like numbered like the 5th fish I've ever caught. So maybe 6. He's a PS4. Yeah, I got that ultimate fishing sim too as well. I don't know if I can use a controller with it though. It's been dude's grandpa. Let's wiggle the line a little bit. Might have to resend it out or something. Just leave it alone. We're gonna wait. Give it another 5 minutes. Nice mission over. It auto-corrected Bman to Bean. Yep. That'd be Bean or Beam. Got some spinners. Oh man, made a bunch of any. Got over here. My mom's caught a bunch of fish with these. I think I've caught 1 little puffer fish. I just got these little things. I don't know how well they work, but figure it out. It's good stuff. Dealing with real fish is kind of stinky. So far, they've hit on. One's hit on the shrimp, and 1 on the bloodworm. Yes, it did. It was a little small puffer, a northern puffer fish, not poisonous or anything. But yeah, he was a little guy. He puffed up, and I pulled him out of the water. He had air hissing out of him. I was like, oh, jeez. He was like, I think it was the first one I caught out here. Yeah. I barely had him. I had him like hooked on the side through just a little piece of skin. I don't even know how he stayed on the hook. But I don't think I hurt him or anything. Yeah. Yeah. You just kind of. Well, because I guess normally like you think he's like filled with water or something. I don't know. No, you gotta throw them back unless they're a certain size. I think of those. Maybe not. I don't know the rules yet. All of them. So I'll throw everything back. Take a picture, throw it back. Puff kebab. Oh, okay. Alright. That's something there. I got him. I I think he's on. Surely he's still on. Yeah, oh yeah, got his ass. Oh. He hopped out the water and went back down. Oh, oh no, you bastard. Get my worm, too? No. I think I pulled too hard and yoinked him out the water and sent him right off the hook. Damn. He was small anyway. He won't budge. I'm gonna send this back out one more time. Alright. It was a little one, man. He got off. Shit. I was reeling him and I pulled a little too hard and he popped out the water, so that loosened up the hook. I don't use super hooky hooks. You know, I use this little circle hooks. Regular worm hooks. I like them. I like to catch and release. It's okay, man. They really like this bait. It's insane. I'm gonna send back everything else. Had more bites in like 2 hours than I have in like 6 hours the other night. Are you on at least? True. Big true. That's a big true. Is no one in here yet? You show up? I don't know if I can scroll up in the. Oh, I can. Whoa. This is neat. This is like the IRL Pro app. Very nice. Very, very nice. The regular Twitch app is not good. It's very bad. Look how mad he got off my line, man. He wasn't that big. I kind of saw him pop up and take flight for a second. Maybe I just have to be easier when I reel in or something. Oh, this is a. I don't know if it'll show up. It says call OG. It's not your typical bait. You know what I mean? Hang on, I'm gonna message this fucker real quick. What the fuck? There's no rat in my list, man. Shit. I think I already told him. Yo. Alright, boom. Let me get back to the thing. I wonder if it pauses it when I do all that. I was sitting there flipping to my phone. Yeah, it starts getting like a bad vape flavor. You can't return it usually, you know. Shit, stuck with it. Luckily, I don't puffy for the flavor, you know. It's not really you know, when you hit these things all day, you know, you get a little tolerance. You hit it a few times. Nice fucking fish, man. I'm getting another. It's only what, 8:30? Yep. Is that getting stopped? Ice packs are really staying cold in that thing. I do be wilding. I really do. And it's a problem. A big problem. You know, it is what it is. Y'all be wild. This pier is packed on a Saturday night. I don't know if I've been up here on a Saturday before. We probably have once. Matthew Perry just died? No way, dude. What? Oh no. He wasn't even that old. What? Wasn't he the? Did he have the blonde hair? Which one was that? Heart attack and drowned while swimming. Wow. Shit. I like swimming, but now I'm like, maybe I don't. Oof. That's a rough way to go. That really is. Oh, he's the darker haired one. Okay. Damn. I guess he had friends too. I don't know if that was ever going to happen, was it? Did they say it was? Oh, yeah, he was Chandler. That's the one I thought. Okay. I was picturing with brown or blonde hair. Damn. Mr. Bing. Where are these fish at, man? I'm about to reset these ones. Mr. Bing. Yeah, Mr. Bing. I'm going to change the title from here. Fuck it. I'll just leave it. Battery's still cranking. This Pixel has such good battery life. It's insane. I swear it's like 3 times what my old Pixel 4 was. And this is the 7. Alright. I'm gonna bring back in the orange. Right. Add something else. Or just leave it alone. I'll give it 5 more minutes. You must be patient. Patient gets rewarded in this game. I got some patience. A little bit. Man, I could send a third line out. The pole's just sitting there. I think I might. Fuck it. Set it up. Oh. Did I touch that pole? Did I touch that? Why did you make that noise? Did my foot hit that? Gotta investigate the line. Spotlight check. 60. I think it's a 60, right? Yeah. It's a big boy. It was free. Damn, it's all. I mean, never mind. We don't admit to anything. Not on record. Keep it a buck, you know? Shit. Yes, lots of serious fish people here, yes. Alright, bet. You enjoy that? Sounds pretty good. I want some. I wasn't planning on leaving here until like at least midnight. So I got another good like 3.5 hours here. That's a good enough reason to send another one.
Walk down here real quick.
Pull our line down. Get it set up here. It's moving too much. I'm not gonna put it on here. It's the same shit as the other ones. Yeah, it's not the hook, though. It's the it's a little anchor. That's that piece right there. I do, but not right now. I just because where I'm at, it's not very deep, so I'm just putting it on the bottom with a two hook leader thing. Using 2-ounce weights. Hopefully it's just gonna slide on that nice and easy, but hey, nice. I like it when it just goes smooth. Which some of these. I really like these circle hooks here. I think it's a size 1. But very nice. And again, another 1. Or, you know what? Fuck it. I'll do it like that. Let me put one of the little fish ones on too. Pretty bright. I'll put the worm up top. And we'll put circle hook on the bottom. Now, don't hook yourself in the process. You know. I'm hooked on my pants. Okay. This stuff has a mesh running through it that's very strong. Oh, jeez. Come on, hooks. Quit playing. If you can really see any of that. Put grass. God damn it, motherfucker. You gotta be careful not to jerk while the thing's on. So you kind of hide the hook. It's right on there because they bite there. It's like, whoop, and whoop. You know, just like that. Okay. And then we go over here. Maybe, extra bright. What have I not put on here yet? I'll put on squares on one, I think. But whatever, I'll do it again. Try this one. Well, the other one hasn't popped off yet. Be a lot quicker if I can use my scissors, but I don't feel like dealing with two different things. So for this. And then I spin it back around. Keep it kind of close to the thing. Pull it back through. Spin it back around one more time. Try to get it in there a third time. Just to make it a lot harder later to get out. I like making life a little bit more difficult. Once that's out, it doesn't come off. I really don't even have to do that because this thing just stays on so well. Yeah, we're just gonna send it, but getting it on. Am I not? I thought I was tangled at the tip, I guess not. Can I just spin this and tighten it up? Wow, I can. That's kind of neat. Alright, where the fuck am I gonna send that? That's close. That's far. That'll have to do. Not the best cast, but that's okay. Seems to be in the strike zone. That's where I like it up here. Just tighten it up. Is the line gonna tighten up? So I'd like to know what the fuck is on the line right there. You have extra water on the line there or something. What that is. What the fuck that is. Come on, man. Now we got 3 lines up. Just nice over there. see if we can get one for the camera here. That's the goal. Wow, it's been 41 minutes. Fuck. That's a little too low. So I got the orange line in the middle and 2 greens on the side. For an hour and I really only use this much battery too. That's crazy. You'll hardly use 10%. That's Pierce packed. There's some ring down there. Let me make sure. Check the drag on them all. There we go. Thought I heard it. Get it beyond quick. I need to start twisting the drag before I pull. That could be fucking me up. And, you know, it probably really is. Maybe I won't. Still, I don't want my pole to get like yeeted off the dock. So, I don't think that would really happen, but I have a sub with me. Maybe I'll I can go live whenever. I think I'll just hit the button next time one catches. I wanna get one on the line. And what if I don't land them? Whatever. Fuck it. Yeah, I'm gonna kill it for now. I'm gonna go back to watching an episode while I wait. Unless one hits real soon. Let me see if I can this work while it's. Did that come through? Probably did. That sound. You know, I'm gonna start leaving the drag up a little bit here. I'm tired of getting away. cut out, but it came back. That's nice.